It's a 2006 Honda Odyssey. With its utility, stylish comfort, and desire for adventure, the Odyssey is everyone's happy place. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, AM/FM satellite radio, auto dimming rear view mirror, entertainment system with DVD, 3 12-volt power outlets, driver memory seats, automatic transmission, power sliding and tilting sunroof, and V6 engine. Car and Driver reports sheet metal now appears shrink-wrapped indeed. Panel gaps have been reduced by up to 1.5 millimeters, giving the Odyssey an athletic stance that is emphasized by a tauter rear end and a sportier front fascia with dual projector beam headlights. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Our online price quotes make sure if you're buying Honda, you've got our best price right up front. BartlesvilleHonda.com, the website of Honda of Bartlesville.